Look at all the fun we're going to have talking about tangent lines. I once got a tan line while mowing the yard. Anyway, I want to know the equation of the line tangent to f of x equals x squared plus 1 at x equals 1. What? Okay, so let's just start drawing a little bit. Grab my pencil where the lead keeps breaking. And we're going to put a point on the function at 1. And we're going to draw a tangent line. And that tangent line is going to represent the slope. And knowing the answer, I'm going to go ahead and just do it. There it is. There it is right there. Okay, so what is the equation of that line? Well, that line looks like 2 over 1 times x plus 0, but let's go about this a lot more precise. We can't just eyeball it and throw it down and pretend like that's correct. It is correct. I've worked this problem out several times, so I know it's right. However, let's work it out. We had done a previous tangent line problem, and I did it a different way, but now I'm going to use what is called point slope form. I just find it to be very handy, and I'm going to write it in red like I'm shouting at you. So this is point slope form. You have seen this before many times, but y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And you might be wondering why we use tangent lines. What's the point of them? I'll tell you in a minute. We'll get there. But in the meantime, I need to fill in everything into this form. So I personally like to just write that down at the beginning of a tangent line problem and then just start filling in everything I know, finding what I don't know, and then just backing up and getting what I need. So here we go. I'm just writing it down. Again, this was where I was telling you the equation, even though you already knew it. And now I'm going to just start filling in some stuff. So let's see, y minus something equals something, there's parentheses. Okay, well, we've got a lot going on here. Well, I don't know what, let's see, what is x1? x1 is the x value that we're dealing with, which would be just 1. So my first and only x value that I know is 1. Now, just because it says x doesn't mean it's this x. It's x1. It's my first x. So there we go. And I am looking for the y value associated with that x value. This should be pretty easy, so we have to switch to green. If you don't switch to green, you're going to get the problem wrong. That's not true. Let's find out what f of 1 is. That means I'm plugging the 1 in, and I'm going to have 1 squared plus 1, which gives me 2. Oh, fantastic. So I really have this value, which is y1. So y minus 2 equals the slope. Oh, slope. What is the slope of this graph at 1? At y equals x equals 1. Well, slope. Oh, derivative. I can find a derivative. It's brilliant. So let's find the derivative, which is 2x. The value of the derivative at 1 is 2 times 1, which of course is 2. All that can happen in your head. We just found the slope at a specific point, and this is the answer. This is totally okay to leave it like this. Totally fine with that. I'm going to go a little further. So 2x minus 2, and then plus this 2 is going to give me 0. So this is it, and we graphed that exact same